Multiple A-10 attack aircraft from the Idaho Air National Guard deployed to the Middle East over the weekend. More than 300 airmen from the 124th Fighter Wing, along with the attack aircraft, were sent to Southwest Asia within U.S. Central Command's area of responsibility on March 29th. The 124th has a legacy of service to our state and nation, and this mission further cements our commitment to protecting the United States of America and securing our interests around the globe. Readiness and relevance are our strengths, whether performing our state mission here at home or our federal mission abroad. The move comes just 2 days after the Air Force confirmed the arrival of a number of B-2 stealth bombers on the island of Diego Garcia, which is within striking distance of Yemen. The move follows officials telling Air and Space Forces magazine earlier this month that additional aircraft are expected to be sent to the Middle East as part of the buildup against the Houthis. How the A-10 Warthog won the battle against the Houthis. The A-10, built for close air support with maneuverability at slow speeds and low altitudes, has been crucial in major conflicts since the Gulf War in 1991. However, what truly makes it feared is its incredibly deadly arsenal. On the battlefield, where the ground is a living hell for infantry troops, there is one sound that signals hope for them and destruction for the enemy. Its iconic GAU-8 Avenger 30mm cannon can destroy heavy armor, including tanks, and it is equipped with advanced countermeasures for surface-to-air threats. This 30mm rotary Gatling gun can fire 3,900 rounds per minute, enough to obliterate armored vehicles in seconds. Its armor-piercing rounds can tear through enemy tanks like paper. In addition to the GAU-8 Avenger, the Warthog is equipped with a range of missiles and bombs that make it a true menace on the battlefield. The AGM-65 Maverick missile is used to destroy armored targets from a distance, while laser-guided bombs and cluster munitions deliver precise strikes against hidden enemies. The A-10 is not just a predator. It is incredibly hard to bring down. This aircraft is designed with titanium armor that protects the pilot and critical systems, allowing it to withstand small arms fire and even surface-to-air missiles. From the Gulf War to operations in the Middle East, the A-10 Warthog has proven itself as a savior for ground troops. Its superiority in providing close air support makes it a weapon feared by enemies and revered by allies. On March 27th, the aircraft have been repeatedly sent to bolster air power in the Middle East since Hamas's attack on Israel in October 2022 and the ensuing unrest in the region. A-10s deployed in March 2023, then again in October 2024, alongside an F-16 Fighting Falcon Squadron and an F-15E Strike Eagle Squadron. On November 29, an A-10 struck militants preparing to launch rockets at an American position. Since the Idaho Air National Guard received its first Warthogs in 1996, the wing has frequently deployed to support combat operations across the Middle East, including its largest deployments include those in 2020 for Operation Freedom's Sentinel and in 2016 for Operation Inherent Resolve. After 3 decades, the A-10 fleet will begin its retirement in the fall of next year. The 124th Fighter Wing is set to transition to F-16 fighters starting in spring 2027, pending the completion of an environmental analysis in the coming months.
You guys get video too?
Yes, sir.